Hello everyone, once again today I'm going to share something which is really crucial and really pivotal for you, would be pivotal for you. I know that you would be looking for good social media community where you can have good people to talk to in English, because I know that how ambitious and how enthusiastic person you are for learning language. But today here in this video I will just tell you what option, what application would somewhere help you to hone your communication. Okay, so the application that I have been using for a couple of months is Gemini. Gemini application is giving you lots of options to have, such as you can have live conversation with Gemini. That's an option where you can have live conversation, and I have been using it for a couple of months, and it's really great. It helps you a lot to efficiently improve your spoken English, and you can incorporate in your speaking without hesitation, because that Gemini application, a Gemini person, I mean that AI person, is not going to really judge you and not going to even direct you. So you can go and have that opportunity and don't miss the bus, because if you are using that application, that may somewhere turn a new leaf of your life. You know, you can have different experience and you will learn something from it, believe me. That was the thing I just wanted to say. This is really great. I mean, I know that how tough it is from a person like me living in a village, right? A person, there are many people who are in a village having no place to go for learning English, but now you have smartphone and you have all sorts of all sorts of sources, so use it and make the most of it, and you have best future waiting for you. That was a video today, and I don't want to make it quite long because it is quite simple thing to understand, right? So I think it was quite coherent to you, was quite enough, quite clear. So thank you so much. I will definitely upload video in a couple of days, because I'm quite busy with my teaching. I'm working in a school, so I have a couple of work to do every day, waking up and going to school, then coming back and giving home tuition. So it's quite swamping, but okay. Catch you later, alligator. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for listening to me.